What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when messages are not being delivered on your iPhone. First, it's important to understand the difference between the two types of messages on an iPhone. Blue messages are sent via iMessage, which uses your internet connection, while green messages are standard SMS texts, sent through your mobile carrier. So the reason why your messages aren't delivering can depend on the type of message you're trying to send. If your SMS texts aren't sending, the most common reason is a weak network signal. You can check your signal strength by looking at the bars in the top right corner of your screen. If you have low signal, try moving to a different location to get better reception. On the other hand, iMessage requires an active internet connection, so make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working. Next, make sure the phone number or email address you're trying to send the message is correct. If you've typed the wrong number or email, your message won't be delivered. To test this further, try sending a message to someone you've successfully messaged before. If it goes through, the issue might be with the contact info you're entering. If it doesn't, the problem could be broader. The next thing you should try is simply restarting your iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center and tap the power button at the top right. A drag to slide off screen will appear. Drag the slider to the right to power off your device. Now, to power on, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo flashes back on. Once your iPhone restarts, I also recommend turning airplane mode on and off. Swipe down from the top right to open the control center. Tap the airplane icon to enable it. Wait a few seconds, and then tap on it again to disable it. This will force your phone to reconnect to your network and Wi-Fi, which can help fix messaging issues. Another thing you can do is toggle iMessage off and back on. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Messages. Here, turn iMessage off, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. This refreshes the iMessage connection and can help resolve the issue. If you find that you're able to send iMessages but not standard SMS messages, the issue may be with your SIM card or mobile carrier. In that case, it's worth contacting your carrier's support team. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.